Sunshine by Martin Letourneau. Sunshine shining on your smooth, soft skin. Your curved silhouette is flawless, with the acute angles of your body geometrically sequenced. Mathematical algorithms calculated every inch of you from head to toe. Pi equals the circumference ratio of your body, 3.14. The square root of 2, the Pythagorean theorem, when multiplied by itself, equals the number 2. Clearly and simply put, 1 plus 1 equals me and you. Sunshine glistening through the leaves of a tree, and the leaf falls to the ground partially in shade. How long did it take me to fall for you? Was it the first day that you came my way? The perfect timing of everything that happens in life is always up to you. Never change the first direction you decide to take that your mind tells you to. When I first saw your face for the first time, you were calculated in my future forever. Now, there is nothing I can do to change my connection to you, even mathematically never, larger than any real or natural number that anyone will ever see. Boundless, endless, forever, until the end of time represents always to infinity. Sunshine is still shining on me through every crack and crevice. If I ever stop receiving your radiant sunshine, the world will fall into darkness forever. When you pirouette, my heart jumps. Your ballet body movement triggers me. Involuntarily, as your body moves automatically, ballet moves gracefully. You make my candle start to flicker every time you call my name. All I need is your light here with me, so you can kindle my flame. Dancing the dance hand gesture, your hand slightly touches mine. I am just waiting for you to come to me and let your sun shine.